What's the meaning of Cabernet? Cabernet. Cabernet.
Cabernet. Cabernet. The term Cabernet refers to a type of grape varietal that is commonly used to produce red wine. Specifically, Cabernet Sauvignon is the most well-known and widely planted of all Cabernet varieties, known for its rich, full-bodied flavor profile and high tannin content. While Cabernet wines can be produced in various regions around the world, they are most closely associated with the Bordeaux region of France. Today, Cabernet is considered one of the most iconic and beloved grape varieties among wine lovers worldwide, prized for its robustness and versatility in winemaking.